Well,
no, you still have
you filming already?
I wish I was filming that first part.
Dude, literally, I was doing that.
Sex wagon. Sex wagon.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another. Fuck you. My channel. No, just kidding.
Restart. Change for fan.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video on JZ Raceco. Here we got my co-host Tommy.
Yup.
Here we got Hunter's GT350. Here we got Tommy's new EcoBoost. Here we got all the cleaning chemicals that I bought while I was in Orlando from Detail Car Garage. It's all Chemical Guy products. And basically today we're going to be doing a little overview, washing the cars, showing them off, and testing out the products. All Tommy's broke boy stuff right here.
Listen. Listen. Rain-X is the best thing.
We all know that. We all know that. We all know. All right. So here's the products we have for today. We have some orange wheel degreaser, decon iron remover, because my wheels are so damn dirty. I want to get them shiny. Got some smart carpet cleaner, good for all interior. Then we got some more wheel cleaner, Diablo wheel gel, citrus washing gloss, which we'll be using on Hunter's GT350 because it's got ceramic coating. It should make it pop off really nice. Then we got a basic car soap, Mr. Pink. If Tommy wants to use it on his truck, he's more than welcome. He's using.
I stick to Orpon.
Alright, yeah, he's sticking to his stuff, his broke boy. Let's get it. So before anything, pretty much these buckets, what these guys sell with them, they got little dirt traps, which is why they recommended 2 bucket method. So you're basically gonna plop this thing at the bottom, and then it basically just catches the dirt all in the bottom of it. So first we got the Diablo wheel gel. We're gonna spray about 1 ounce of it into here. It's not open.
There's a little cap.
Yeah, I know it. Alright, got 1 rinse bucket, 1 wash bucket. Gonna put about 1 ounce of the chemical in. That's a little more maybe. Gonna put our brushes into there to let them soak in to the suds and stuff. Activate it.
Oh, cool.
Then we're just gonna let them sit there. Then we're gonna move on to the wheels. And this is where the decon iron remover comes into play. So, open that up, yep. Get our wheels a little wet already. And then, we watch the chemical magic happen. Basically, we're gonna let this sit for a couple minutes, and then it should have a color changing effect to it. And then afterwards, that's when we're gonna take our brushes and scrub down the wheels. Once they're soaked in with the soap and all that good stuff. This is what I'm talking about, this chemical effect. So it'll literally change colors and just start breaking down the little chemicals.
Looks good.
Oh, then we're gonna take our bucket. Gonna take one of our wheel brushes that we got in there, get some suds on her. And then we're gonna scrub it up from top to bottom. And I'm really trying to get these things cleaned up because they have been so stained since I got the damn car. And it looks like it's already doing a significant amount of damage, actually.
Yeah, it looks a lot better.
Alright, so now we're gonna go to the rinse bucket. Go over here. Basically, you're gonna scrub it at the bottom of that dirt trap. That way it'll all fall down bottom there. Clean brush.
Back to it.
Back to it, get a little sud. Back on her. Oh my dude, look how much it's shining already, actually. Holy crap.
So this wheel's been touched, this one has not been touched at all. Doesn't look that much different, honestly.
I mean, it's sparkling a little bit.
Yeah, it is. It is.
I can definitely see the difference.
Ooh, buddy. All that, a little bit of this, and look at all that damage it did. Feel a little. Look at all that damage it did.
It breaks into 3 pieces.
Nice.
Rest in peace to the
My hubcap.
hub
please.
center thing piece. What year?
97.
97 to 2022. He got the monkeypox.
Oh my God. I was a little weary of this stuff, but even though my wheels are completely messed up, they do pretty damn well, I will say. I have no complaints. Chemical. Oh. Scrub bucket, rinse, scrape it at the bottom, get the dirt trap, get some more sod, hit the wheel one more time. Alright, the wheels are as shiny as I can get them. Next up for our next product, we got the Citrus Wash and Gloss. Basically, it's a really strong gloss enhancer type of soap. We're going to use it on the Shelby. We're going to use it on my car real quick as well, just to get a little hard maintenance scrub, because that's also what this is good for. Funny thing about this is it's a 2-chemical product. I've already shaken it up so you can't really tell it's all mixed together. But if you use too much of it, about 3 or more ounces, it can be used as a paint thinner. So we're only going to use 1 ounce today. Spray that in. Love my co-host. Activate suds. And then we're going to use some sud action today. I got 2 guns. This is the one I bought actually, but we're going to be using Hunter's. It's got a nice little tip. You can adjust it, all that good stuff. So once again, gonna hit it with about 1 ounce. Dude, look at that. I don't even want to put any more than that in there. It's probably right there. It's probably good. Activate our suds through here a little bit. Swirl it around. Nickelodeon slime type of shit. Nice and sparkly now. Look at that.
I remember Quinn Baker, he did it at his house on Hope Sound. That's not on the video. I don't want to say it.
Getting them scrubby clean. Yeah, you scrub that hoe.
Oh, I am, buddy. Let me that.
GTI is almost done. My car is done. Then it's GT350.
This is my race car, guys, in case you didn't know.
Now it's time for the real thumbnail clickbait. Time to scrub on the GT 350. Time for the 350 scrub with some Mr. Pink.
Those Fox shit, right?
Yeah,
You know,
Fox
the first
BS
thing I would
phone.
do is jump the shit out of my truck. Yeah, because the Fox shit better hold LS. Like, people take stock Raptors to Baja. Like, you just go red one.
Oh, the cars are pretty much clean.
Socket wrench master, dude.
Comment below who's got the cleanest whip after the wash.
F-150.
No,
The F-150. Okay?
somebody even votes for golf all lap.
Do not
Nice
No.
one's gone.
We have no
Nice
idea.
little bit of
The big
TLC.
nice one's gone.
We have no idea where the big one went.
Yes, sir.
The little rain or whatever.
Oh,
I don't live in Denver. Yeah, that's not that's the start of the plane.
Look at this man go.
Like, it's a
Oh.
funny ass city because it's such a.
Got the car all nice and shiny. The boys' vehicles are nice and shiny. We gotta meet tonight. Thank you all for watching the product review video. We'll catch you all next time.